What's up, y'all? It's your boy Zach back at you with another reaction video. NBA Freak of Nature Moments by King Swish. All right, let's check this out. Let's see some athletes here. This dude, look at that. Wow. Ja is a freak, though. I like Ja. Was that freak? Yeah, I guess he. I suppose. Oh, here come. This is one of my favorite All Star plays. That's a nice play. I don't think I've ever seen that before. Like he stayed in air for a little while. That was very nice and smooth right there. Damn. It's a shame the Mavs let him go, but they found a phenom in Luca, so they had no choice but to. Jeremy Evans. Oh, oh, Ronnie, Ronnie. Oh, damn. Never saw that one either. John Wall, man. I hope he plays next year wherever. People actually forget how good John Wall was. Damn, he was fat. He was the Eastern Conference version of Russell Westbrook. Oh, yeah. Blake Griffin is in that conversation too. Yeah, he was a freak. Still is, despite being injured. Russell, my word. Russell had to be in this video. That Derrick Jones? Yeah. Look at the Toronto bench. Yeah, he got up high. Damn. Look at that. Shh. I know this. Oh, Jared going Duncan. Was that freaks of athlete? Was that even though Jared wasn't an athlete, just wasn't a shooter. Yeah, we'll give it to him. Derrick Rose, the double pump pass, that was cool. Stared, yeah, that was cool. They just let him go. Nah, no, I'll give it to him. I think he said that Kyle Lowry's the greatest Raptor of all time. Didn't he say something like that the other day? Uh, oh shit! Damn, what was I gonna say? Yeah, he's that dunk made me forget what was I gonna say. Another De'Aaron Fowl. Yeah, he's fast. Giannis was his baby Giannis. What Giannis was that? Oh yeah, this was Giannis before he had hair. Yeah, Gerald Green, man, was. Look at his head. Gerald Green was a problem. Again, he could play, man. He just needs to find a team. Who is this? Nate? Yeah, Nate. I remember Nate. Nate was a beast. Oh yeah, you just lit the paint wide open, JaVale. Mm. Westbrook again. Mm. We didn't see no LeBron James highlights. Video I'm not over, but he definitely should be in this video. Russ. Again, Russ. Oof. Mm. Nice turn. Nice spin. Oh, I remember this. He gonna dunk it. He went right at him. I remember that play. Finally, some LeBron James. No, that was a freakish one. Shout out to Donovan Mitchell. Gotten clear of the coronavirus. Here's some LeBron James. No, it's not. Anthony Davis. Okay. Nice. Nice extension. Oh, Derrick Rose. Yes, and it's the Stacey King one. That Stacey King's commentary on this was legendary. The memo. Watch it. Go higher. Oh, I remember that. That was nice. That's nice. Ooh. Oh, we just saw Porzingis do that in the last video. Mm. Where no LeBron James yet? Oh yeah, he dunks over Powell. Damn. That was when Blake had them hops, or 2010 or something like that. Oh, he dunks on Howard. What? No LeBron James yet? LeBron definitely should be in this highlight, bro. Mm. Gerald Henderson? Yeah. Oh, okay. Look at that. Didn't finish the play though. You should have showed a play that when he actually finishes. On dunking on Jason Terry, jumped over that dude with the Bulls. Something. Ooh, Eric Bledsoe. Forgot he was with the Clippers one time. Oh, here it is. Here's a LeBron James one. He goes at man. Look at Russell, man, with the mask on. Look at him. Look at this, man. How many knee surgeries Russell had? And he's still that damn fast? Mmm. Nice. Gerald Green, of course. JaVale. Oh, I remember that. Oh. Kobe, R.I.P. Kobe. Or Shannon Brown. I remember Shannon Brown. Mm, that's not a travel. Oh, who was that? Oh, Terrence Ross. Mm. Giannis. Here comes Giannis. Damn. Nice fake. Nice. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah. Nothing you could do about that. All right. Another good video from King Swiss, I believe. Freak of nature moment. King Swish. Again, keeping it 100 during these turbulent times of no sports, no nothing. Can't even leave the damn house or mask on. All right, y'all. That's gonna do it for me for this reaction. You enjoy my reaction? Leave a like, subscribe to my channel, give a follow to King Swish, subscribe to his channel, and I'll see y'all later. All right, y'all. Peace.